Uh, so inasema design a hash map without using any built-in hash tables. Implement my hash map class. Hash map initializes the object with an empty map. So I think that's the first part. And I guess itakuja hapa hivi kwa initialization method ya class. So imagine sasa ningekuwa interview man. Wow. Giza tupu. Tunaweza initialize hivyo hash table, right? So tuende next point, void put. Inachukua input ya key na value. Insert a key value pair into the hash map if the key value exists in the map, updating if the key already exists in the map, update the corresponding value. So with that tutachukua nini yetu, dictionary yetu, that is the hash table. So tuseme self our dictionary, and then you find the exact index that you want to key in this value, this hizi input zetu hizi hii statement nimehighlight hapa ina evaluate index yenye utaweka kwa hash table ama array yetu, right? Na sasa tunaweka kwa hiyo particular index tunaweka the value, so itakuwa hivyo. So hiyo ndio put, yeah. Jinasema if the key already exists in the map, update the corresponding value. So kama ina exist already, inaenda tu ikichange, kiupdate, yeah. So that's the put ambayo ni kuweka kuinsert. Sasa tuende kwa get. Get inasema returns the value to which the specified key is mapped. Okay, so tuanze na hiyo. So returns the value to which the specified key is mapped. With that tutachukua let me see, print self dictionary. Print nini tukiprint hivyo, just a minute. Shit. Expected an indent block after the function definition. Tunapata error.
Hizo mbona inasema import sys?
Import sys, I don't know.
Oh, indentation error.
But I think it's okay. Ama sinaona ikiwa sawa.
Okay. Oh, indentation error line 16.
Line 16.
Andika mbele unafaa uweke pass.
Hapa?
Yeah, pass.
Yeah, true. Kwanza kuona chenye italeta hivi like if you get the key. Output 1 in output 1. So tukiangalia nini yetu in output 1.
Yeah, 1 yeah. I think so. So
Okay.
Inatau nini hizo which whether key exists or does not exist.
Yeah, true. So tutachukua hii ambayo ni key yetu. Return. The key already after there, which returns the value to which the specified key is mapped. So return. Wait. Well, shit. Jesus. I believe it's this way key. Sindio ndio tunapatanga the nini associated value. Yeah.
Yeah.
So inasema or -1 if this map contains no mapping for the key. So same else. And -1. Yeah. So I hope that's correct. Tuacha tuende ya mwisho tu ndio tu nini zote tu. So remove inachukua input ya key, removes the key and its corresponding value if the map contains the mapping of the key. Okay. So with that, tutasema if key ambayo ishapeanwa in self dot our dictionary first of all inafaa kuexist ndio tusikuwe tunatoa kama vile tulisema tu jana, tusikuwe tunatoa vitu haziko. Then you say get self dot our dictionary key. Turudi hapa, kuna kitu hata nimenotice. So hapa tumeshapewa variable ya key. So you can just say if key.
If key.
Yeah, si tushapewa key. So tunaweza sema if
Yeah.
key iko already in this nini. Yeah?
Yeah.
So tutoe hivyo, ibaki hivyo. Virudishe, it will return the. Yeah, I think iko hivyo. So let me try and run. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. Me accept.
Jaribu hiyo ya yote. Submitting.
Yep.
Yo.
Aya, tuko wapi? Hapa?
Top.
Manzee. At least bana.